आज तुम्हारा जन्म दिवस है, परब्रह्म अवतारी। सारी सृष्टि मंगल गाए, जय साईं शुभकारी।
आज तुम्हारा जन्म दिवस है, परब्रह्म अवतारी। सारी सृष्टि मंगल गाए, जय साईं शुभकारी।
निराकार ने आज रूप साकार लिया धरती पर। निराकार ने आज रूप साकार लिया धरती पर।
भारत भाग्य विधाता कहलाया है पुटपरती पर।
धरती सागर अंबर नाचे, सब तुम पर बलिहारी।
सारी सृष्टि मंगल गाए, जय साईं शुभकारी।
आज तुम्हारा जन्म दिवस है, परब्रह्म अवतारी। सारी सृष्टि मंगल गाए, जय साईं शुभ।
असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। परमं पवित्रं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थैष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूति निगमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूति परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूति परमार्थैष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूति निगमाश्रयामि बाबा विभूति निगमाश्रयामि शांति शांति शांति।
The children of sky offer our humble pranams at the lotus feet of our Lord Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba. We, the Balvika's children, will be presenting before you a cultural program. We seek your blessings and encouragement. The Pranava Shabda contains all the breath sounds. It is said the Om is the sum and substance of the Vedas. We begin today's program with 3 Omkaras. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Now I request our Balvika's Guru, Srimati Shanta Sashidharan, to present the welcome speech.
I offer my humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Lord Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Revered elders, brothers, sisters, and my dear children. On behalf of Shri Satya Sai organization, Sai Sahar Salala, I take immense pleasure to welcome you all. Like previous years, this year also, by the grace of Bhagwan, we are celebrating Bhagwan's 82nd birthday with cultural program by our Balvika's children. The child is the image of God. It is innocent and pure, free from malice, and looks upon all with an equal vision. But this beautiful child, as it grows up, stands the risks of becoming contaminated by egoism, greed, hatred, which will lead him to unhappiness, corruption, violence, and vices. To avoid these catastrophes, Bhagwan Baba has introduced the Balvika's classes. Balvika's classes aims at blossoming of human excellence in children from a young age. The prosperity and well-being of the world depend on the conduct of the youth. Only when their conduct is good, the world can have an ideal future. In the end, I pray to Bhagwan Baba to bestow his grace and blessings on the children, their parents, and to all those who are associated with the program in one way or the other. I once again welcome you all. Sairam.
Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya. O Lord, lead us from untruth to truth, from darkness into light, and from death to immortality. Now, lighting of the lamp will be done by Sri Devi and Arjunas.
जननी साई माँ, जननी साई माँ,
जननी साई माँ, जननी साई माँ।
जय जय माँ सत्यसाई।
By chanting Vedic mantras and divine hymns every day, we can purify the mind and intellect. The holy vibrations of Vedic chanting produces immense purifying effect. So, let us offer our heartfelt prayers to the all-pervading, all-blissful, divine spirit. Veda chanting by Sanjana, Anjana, Shilpa, Preeta, Ritika, Shruti, Drishya, Vijit, Akash, Nandu, Omkar Sai, Vaishak, Vishnu, Vivek, Pratik, Jagan. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Gananam Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastramam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashranvanno Divisi Dasadanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Deenamavritrayavatu Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatyai Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Tachayyoravrinimaya Gatum Yajnaya Gatum Yajnapataye Devi Swastirastu Naha Swastir Manushebhyah Udvam Jigatu Bheshajam Sham no Astu Dvipade Sham Chatushpade Om Shanti 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 Sahasra Shirisha Purushaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapad Sabhumim Vishvato Vritva Atyatishtat Dashangulam Purusha Evedagum Sarvam Yad Bhutam Yacha Bhavyam Udamritatvasyeşanaha Yadanyenatirohati Etavanasya mahima Ato jayagumsha purushaha Padosya vishwabhutani Tripadasya divi Tripadurva uday purushaha Padosya bhavat punah Tato vishwan vyakramat Shashananashane abhi Tasmaat virada jayata Virajo adipurushaha Sajato atyadiccheta Paschat bhumi mato puraha Yat purushena avishaa Deva yajnamatanvata Vasanto asya sridajam Grishma itma sharadavim Saptasyasan paridayah Trisapta samidakrita Deva yajnam tanvanam Abadan purusham pashum Tam yajnam barhishi praukshanna
पुरुषं जातमगतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्यातिशयस्य तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संवृतं पृषदाज्यं पशुगुश्चागुश्चक्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋचः सामानि जग्निरे छन्दागुंसि जग्निरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त एकेचोभयादतः गावो अजग्निरे तस्मात् जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यददुः कतिदा व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य कौ बाहुः कावूरु पादावुच्छेदे ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यकृतः ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यां भूषो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षो सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद् वायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षं शीश्लोद्यो समवर्तत पद्भ्यागुश्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागुम् अकल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वा विबदन्यदास्ते दाता पुरस्ताद्यमुदा जहारा शक्र प्रविद्वान् प्रदिशश्च तस्रा तमेवं विद्वान् अमृत इह भवति नान्यपन्था अयनाय विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवा तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् देहनाकं महिमान सचन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्या सन्ति देवा ॐ नमो नारायणाय अद्वैतसम्भूत पृथ्वीरसा च विश्वकर्मणः समवर्ततादि तस्य द्रष्टा विदधद्रूपमेति तत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमाजानमग्रे वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वान् अमृत इह भवति नान्यपन्था विद्यते यनाय प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य धीरा परिजानन्ति योनिम् मरीचीनां पदमिच्छन्ति वेदसः यो देवेभ्यः आदपति यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो जातः नमो रुचाय ब्राह्मये रुचं रामं जनयन्तः देवा अग्रे तद्ब्रुवन् यस्त्वेवं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवा असन्वशे रीष्यते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्यो अहोरात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनो व्याक्तम् इष्टं मनिषाना अमुं मनिषाना सर्वं मनिषाना तच्चयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शं नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Vinayaka is also called the giver of buddhi. He responds to the prayers of devotees and hence is known as Siddhi Vinayaka. Now, let us watch this dance by Jagan, Vishnu, Arjunas, Ashwin, Sridevi, Aishwarya Lakshmi, Megha and Bhumi.
नमस्ते ब्रह्मरूपाय विष्णुरूपाय ते नमः। नमस्ते रुद्ररूपाय करिरूपाय ते नमः। विश्वरूपस्वरूपाय नमस्ते ब्रह्मचारिणे। भक्तप्रियाय देवाय नमस्तुभ्यं विनायकम्। नमस्तुभ्यं विनायकम्। पुरीशं साई गणेशं प्रणवाकारं साई गणेशं।
पुरीशं साई गणेशं प्रणवाकारं साई गणेशं।
विघ्नविनाशं साई गणेशं।
विघ्नविनाशं साई गणेशं।
विश्वाधारं साई गणेशं।
विश्वाधारं साई गणेशं।
मूषिकवाहन साई गणेशं।
मूषिकवाहन साई गणेशं।
मोदकहस्तं साई गणेशं।
मोदकहस्तं साई गणेशं।
मूषिकवाहन साई गणेशं।
मूषिकवाहन साई गणेशं।
मोदकहस्तं साई गणेशं।
मोदकहस्तं साई गणेशं।
वामनरूपं साई गणेशं।
वामनरूपं साई गणेशं।
विश्वस्वरूपं साई गणेशं।
विश्वस्वरूपं साई गणेशं।
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 भक्तिपुरीशं साई गणेशं प्रणवाकारं साई गणेशं।
भक्तिपुरीशं साई गणेशं प्रणवाकारं साई गणेशं।
विघ्नविनाशं साई गणेशं।
विघ्नविनाशं साई साई गणेशं
विश्वाधारं साई गणेशं
विश्वाधारं साई गणेशं
मूषिकवाहन साई गणेशं
मूषिकवाहन साई गणेशं
मोदकहस्तं साई गणेशं
मोदकहस्तं साई गणेशं
मूषिकवाहन साई गणेशं
मूषिकवाहन साई गणेशं
मोदकहस्तं साई गणेशं
मोदकहस्तं साई गणेशं
वामनरूपं साई गणेशं
वामनरूपं साई गणेशं
विश्वस्वरूपं साई गणेशं
विश्वस्वरूपं साई गणेशं
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 पर्तिपुरीशं साई गणेशं प्रणवाकारं साई गणेशं
The saints teach only what
They themselves have practiced. That is why their advice has a power which does us good. Here comes a sketch, Practice Before You Preach by Vijit, Ritika and Jagat.
लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु।
Pranam Gurudev.
Pranam.
Gurudev, my son wants to eat sweets every day. This habit is spoiling his teeth. Not only that, the sweets are costly and I'm finding it difficult to buy them every day.
You could have advised him not to eat sweets.
My advice and warning and even beatings have been in vain. You please give him some advice to stop that habit and also bless him.
Mother, you go now and come with your son again after a fortnight.
The woman brought the boy to him again after 2 weeks.
Pranam Gurudev.
Pranam. My dear son, is it true that you trouble your mother to get for your sweets every day?
Yes, Gurudev.
You are an intelligent boy. You know that those sweets are spoiling your teeth. Your mother too is worried about you. If she spends money on sweets every day, how can she buy books and good clothes for you? Don't you think you're committing a mistake?
Yes, Gurudev. I will stop troubling my mother for sweets from today and stop eating them.
My son, you are a nice boy. You understand what is good and what is bad for you. You will surely grow into a happy man.
Gurudev, why did you make us wait for 2 weeks to give these few words of advice?
You see, when you came 2 weeks ago, I also used to eat sweets now and then brought by devotees. How then could I ask your son not to do something which I myself was doing almost every day? So from that day, I stopped eating sweets. That gave me enough strength and power to advise your son to do what I myself have done. Only when we preach what we practice, Our words acquire a ring of sincerity and they appeal to the listener.
You are really great, Gurudev.
We are all the children of Mother Sai. My students are my property, declares Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Next is Sai Mata Biddalam, a group song.
this beautiful dance
wherein Sanjana and Anjana praise the Lord of Pandharpur, Lord Vittala. out as non-existent. Even if you flash a powerful light in front of a blind man, he will only see darkness because he does not have the eyes to see the light. Likewise, persons having no faith will not perceive God, even if you show God to them. Here comes a skit before you, God Exists, enacted by Nando, Akash and Akshay Prakash.
Sir, do you believe in God? Yes, I feel God does not exist. Why do you say that? Well, you just have to go out in the street to realize that God does not exist. But why? Tell me, if God exists, would there be so many sick people? Would there be abundant children? If God existed, there would be neither suffering nor pain. I can't imagine a loving God who would allow all of these things.
I believe in God and I don't want to argue with you. You know what barbers do not exist.
How can you say that? I'm here and I am a barber and I just worked on you.
No, barbers don't exist because if they did, there will be no people with dirty long hair and untrimmed beards like that man outside.
Ha! But barbers do exist. That's what happens when people do not come to me.
Exactly, that's the point. God too does exist. That's what happens when people do not go to Him and do not look to Him for help. That's the reason why there is so much pain and suffering in the world. But God do exist.
Now, I realize that God does exist.
Fear God. One must love Him so much that all acts He disapproves are discarded. Fear to do wrong. Fear to hate another. Fear losing grace. With this note, let us hear to Omkar Sai.
Saram, my humble and koti pranams at the lotus feet of our most beloved Bhagwan Baba. Respected elders, brothers and sisters, today we have assembled here to celebrate the 82nd birthday of our most beloved Bhagwan Baba. The formless, attributeless and nameless assumed a human form and came down to the earth 81 years ago. The avatar has come to raise the mankind to the level of divine. Man is born to learn how not to be born again. The body is an instrument given by God to man for realizing his own divinity. The Balavikas program is a gift of Bhagwan to mankind. Bhagwan says that education must confer two qualities on students. The first one is character and the second one is humility. Knowledge is not power. Character is power. Bhagwan's mission is to develop the men and women of character who will lead the country along the right path, the path of Dharma. The second quality that the students must develop is humility. The most important quality for doing service is humility. We should show humility before our parents. We must respect them with love, reverence and gratitude. We own them our blood, head, food and money. Be grateful to them. What is the main switch in man? It is divine love. Switch of the divine love is
is turned on, love will manifest itself in every limb. Without that love, we are steeped in selfishness and self-centered actions and plunged in darkness. Our eyes should not seek evil sight, our ears should not seek evil tales, our tongue should not seek evil speech, our hand should not seek evil actions, our mind should not seek evil thoughts. Be pure and be full of divine love. The best spiritual discipline is love. Love is bliss. Love is power. Love is light. Love is God. Oh, mothers, have to pray for your children. Let the light of love illumine our thoughts, words, moments, activities and judgment. Then the God will come to us on the wave of love and fill our heart with Himself. Esteemed elders, with my prayer hand I am requesting you all. Avatar Baba came to guide and guide us. To have the capacity to catch the message and canalize it into actions and activities. Make the most of this chance. Jai Sai Ram.
The spiritual vibrations produced by singing the glory of God confer great joy both on those who sing them and on those who listen to them. Now we present before you slokas recited by Shri Devi, Jagan, Aishwarya Lakshmi, Arjun S, Megha, Vishnu, Akash S, Akash P, Ashwin, Drishya, Lokesh, Preeta, Shilpa and Srishti.
Shuklam Bharataram Vishnu Shashivarnam Chaturбhujam Prasadam Dhyayet Sarvavighnopashantaye Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam before a man can rise to his real role, that is, anger, lust, and greed. Let us watch this skit, True Love, enacted by Vivek, Pratik, Akashis, Omkar Sai, Pranam, Lokesh, Anjana, and Sanjana.
This temporary, perishable body should be regarded
only as a means of realizing God.
Sir, it's time. Let me go.
You sit quietly.
Sir, you are a bachelor and you don't know the meaning of wife waiting. You left your home at a young age, so mothers love even.
Do you think that it is true love? No one truly loves. No one except the self.
That's all philosophy. Please permit me to go.
Today, I will show you what the love of a mother is and what the love of a wife is. I will come to your house. I will give you a glass of water with a mantra and you will fall unconscious. But you will be able to hear everything around you. To everyone, you will appear dead, but it will only be a drama. Now, take this glass of water with the mantra.
Oh God, what happened to my husband? He is dead. Oh no. Oh, my son has left us. Oh God, you should have taken me instead of my son.
Don't worry. Take this glass of water. Whoever does so will die, and this young man will come back to life. You are old and your heart is failing. Your son is young and has a long life ahead. Drink this water and die, and let your son live a happy life.
I am sorry. I still wish to see the marriage of my youngest daughter's daughter. I still wish to see my great grandchildren. He is not the only child. I have 3 daughters.
You are crying because of the death of your husband. You cannot live without him. For one moment, you drink this water and die, and let your husband come back to life.
I am sorry. I am too young to die. I cannot follow him to hell or heaven. I still want to enjoy my life.
Now I understood. Worldly love is temporary and is sure to decline. Let me cultivate the love that is permanent and can be found with the company of God at all times. Thank you for opening my eyes. I am leaving this home.
The Lord's name is like a mountain of sugar. As Lord has, the sugar is on the tongue. You feel the sweetness in the taste. Similarly, so long as the heart has love, peace, and devotion, you feel bliss. Next is an English song. There is something special.
There is something special in your love that draws us all so close to you.
in India and Pakistan. It is linked to the spiritual and artistic life of northern India. Next is a Qawwali, Sai Ki Darbar Mein, rendered by Vijit, Pratik, Nandu, Arjun, Vaishak, Vivek, Akshay Prakash and Akash.
music on his flute. Here come the gopis of Vrindavan dancing in ecstasy. Danced by Drishya, Shilpa, Archana, Preeta, Srishti, Hridya, Kripa and Sai Abhishek. This is the last item of the program, followed by prize distribution and vote of thanks.
for the prize distribution, I request the following brothers to come on stage. Brother Rao, Brother Salvaraja, Brother Subramanya, Brother D. Muralidharan, and Brother Balakrishna Shetty. Shri Devi, Aishwarya Lakshmi, Arjun S, Megha, Jagan, Vishnu, Shilpa, and Shrishti. Thank you, Brother Rao. Now I request Brother Salvaraja, Arjun, Akash S, Akash P, Ashwin, Drishya, and Preeta. Now I request Brother Subramanya to give away the prizes. Lokesh, Archana, Pritya H, Kripa, Omkar Sai, Sai Abhishek, Supun, Vaishak, and Vivek. Thank you, Brother Subramanya. Now I request Brother Balakrishna Shetty to give away the prize. Anjana, Pranav, Anjana, Sanjana, Sadhvani, and Akash. Thank you, Brother Balakrishna. Now I request Brother Muralidharan to come on stage. Akshay Prakash, Arjun G, Nandu, Amritesh, Ritika, Prateek, Vijit, and Shruti. Thank you, Brother Muralidhar. Now I request Shri Dhirubai to come on stage and to give prizes to the children who have secured 100% attendance in the Bal Vikas classes.
Hi Ram, good evening to all. There is no necessity for introduction of our Dhirubai for all of you. But however, for the benefit of the newcomers who have come to Salala should know about him. He is highly respected and very, very notable and charitable and long-standing our Dhirubai in Salala. He has come in his younger days and he worked with our HM's father. He's been here for the last more than 60 years, 75 years. Now, out of my curiosity, when I asked him, sir, what is the secret of your being, without, excuse me, can you tell me your age? He said, I'm two fat ladies. 88 years is the age of our Dhirubai. 88 years. And it will be proud for all of us to learn many things from him. And he is doing yoga every day, morning, 1 to 1.5 hours. Afternoon, the diet control, all those things, and all the devotional things which he is following. I think it is a great lesson. Whereas we would like, I request Dhirubai to advise our children and other people. Thank you very much, sir, for coming.
Our beloved children, I am very happy by your works. You are the Krishna and you are the gopis. You are the God and you are goddess. I am very happy. You see, this body is not we. This is a temple. We are the plenty strength. We have to expose, bring out. No any habit, no Coca-Cola, chai, coffee, no any habit. Only you drink milk, fruits, vegetables, and homemade food. Not pizza, hamburger. These all are poison. These all are poison. So I wish you, my beloved children, you drink milk, juices, soups, but not cola, Fanta, anything, bad habit. And no hamburger, breads, own mother, sister, and this food is good food. So you want to live long, be in presence of God, present, pleasure, and positive. Then you will be happy always. This is my promise.
Now I request you to present for the highest 100% attendance students.
One mantra, Vedic mantra. Om Sano Vandurjanita Savidata Dhamani Veda Bhuvanani Vishwa Yatra Deva Amruta Manasanas Sutiye Tamanna Dhairayanta Om Dyo Shantirantariksagvam Shanti Pruthavi Shantirapa Shantiroshadhaya Shantirvanaspataya Shantirvishve Deva Shantir Sauma Shanti Sama Shantire Di Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Wish you all best luck. Almighty God wish you all long life in your whole happiness.
100% attendance go to Aishwarya Lakshmi. Next is Jagan. Nandu. Give these three children a big clap. 99% attendance for Akash and Sanjana. Thank you, Shri Dhirubai. Now I request our chairman, Brother Hariharan, to propose the vote of thanks.
Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble and Kodi pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Respected elders, brothers, sisters and children. On behalf of Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization, Sai Sagar Salala, I take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to our Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba for the blessings and guidance for the successful completion of this cultural program. We also thank His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said for the liberal rules of this country enabling us to conduct such programs. Our sincere thanks goes to the Hafa House management and the staff for their wholehearted cooperation, support and their timely help. Last but not least, we thank and our Jai Sai Ram and sincere thanks to all the Balavikas children, their parents and all the blessed and beloved devotees who have gathered here and encouraging the children all the time. Let us also practice and follow Bhagavan's Mahavakya, love all and serve all, help ever, hurt never in our daily life. Sai Ram.
Now we'll be having the Mangala Aarti and then the Mahaprasadam. Brother Ram is requested to come on stage. Brother Ram.
Shri Narayana Tum Purushottama Gurutum
गन्तव्यम् ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः प्राणापानसमायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं। यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं। क्यों लागे तू सबसे सुंदर, क्यों लागे तू सबसे सुंदर, कैसी लीला तूने रचाई। यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं। क्यों लागे तू सबसे सुंदर, क्यों लागे तू सबसे सुंदर, कैसी लीला तूने रचाई। यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं। कभी तू चंदन जैसा महके, कभी तू कोयल जैसा चहके। कभी तू चंदन जैसा महके, कभी तू कोयल जैसा चहके। घर घर तेरा पूजन होता, घर घर तेरा पूजन होता। तूने सच्ची राह दिखाई। यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं। तेरी विभूति अमृत सबका, पाए राह जो राही भटका। तेरी विभूति अमृत सबका, पाए राह जो राही भटका। मिट गई जो भी थी शंकाएं, मिट गई जो भी थी शंकाएं। तूने ऐसी सीख सिखाई। यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं। नाम अनेकों एक है ईश्वर, मेरा साईं है परमेश्वर। नाम अनेकों एक है ईश्वर, मेरा साईं है परमेश्वर। चमत्कार भी परोपकार भी, चमत्कार भी परोपकार भी, तूने पीड़ा सबकी मिटाई। यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं। क्यों लागे तू सबसे सुंदर, क्यों लागे तू सबसे सुंदर, कैसी लीला तूने रचाई। यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं। यहाँ भी साईं वहाँ भी साईं, जहाँ भी देखो वहाँ है साईं।